Welcome to the Rich Enterprises video series. You ask, we answer, precise answers to your direct questions. Today's question is, what kind of reports can I expect with a cold calling or a telemarketing program? What kinds of reporting can we expect with a telemarketing program? Well, that's going to vary from company to company based upon what types of software application they're using and how active they are and proactive they are in regards to the reporting aspect. Reporting is something that we take quite seriously. So I'll talk about the reports that we would produce on a daily basis as well as on a weekly basis. On a daily basis, we're going to provide what's known as an all calls report, which is just like it sounds. It's going to show you every call that was made on the previous business day. So if we made 42 calls yesterday, you're going to see the notes, which are going to indicate we talked to John, what he had to say. You might also see some other notes that say we talked to Sally, she wasn't interested. You might also see that we talked to Bob, and he said this wasn't a good time, but to maybe touch base with him back on Tuesday. And in that daily report, you're also going to see the details in regards to any leads or appointments. Now, when we do have a lead or an appointment, we're going to send that over in a separate report. And that's going to detail everything we know about that particular prospect, their name, their address, their phone number, probably their SIC code, how many employees they have, previous history, meaning if we talked to them last week, the notes are going to show that as well. And then it's also going to show what happened and what that conversation was that resulted in them being turned over to you as a lead or an appointment. So you'd actually be able to read through our notes and be able to see that we talked to them yesterday. They answered the qualifying questions this way. They said yes, they would certainly take more information. We might have some information in regards to the qualifying questions. They have 42 employees, 19 computers. Now, obviously, that varies with every account and with every industry across the board. But you would be able to see the answers to both the qualifying and the probing questions, as well as kind of get a general idea of how that conversation went. And those are the reports that we produce daily. Those are sent to our clients between 8 and 9 in the morning based on Central Standard Time for every single day that we work their account. As well, we're going to produce weekly reports, and those can be customized to a particular client's needs. But typically, the weekly reports are going to consist of an accounting of the hours, going to give some indications in regards to calls per hour, in regards to how many appointments were set, how many leads were generated, and that type of statistical data. However, if you're looking for something special and you'd rather have a customized report, please don't hesitate to contact us because we do have some clients that require custom reports. I think in selecting a telemarketing vendor, it's extremely important that they've got good, solid, reliable reporting, and I'd also recommend that you ask for a sample as well as find out how often those reports are going to be produced for you. Hopefully they're going to meet your needs. To submit your question, please visit our website at richworldwide.com. view our blog, or reach out to us at 888-443-5247. This video series is brought to you by Rich Enterprises. We look forward to the potential of working with you.